2022 Aston Martin DBX. Starting at $179,986. Highs. Beautiful and customizable cabin, refined and thrilling driving behavior, an Aston that can tow and hit the trails. Lows. High-end rivals are quicker, overly soft brake pedal, why so few active safety features? Verdict. The handsome DBX is an authentic Aston Martin, even if it rides higher and weighs a lot more than its siblings. Overview. With SUV proportions and towing capability, the 2022 Aston Martin DBX differs from its sports car siblings, but the high-riding Aston's pretty face and entertaining driving manners make it an authentic member of the legendary British brand. Along with an adult-friendly back seat and usable cargo space, the DBX's interior is as practical as it is beautiful, offering an array of cool colors and rich materials from which to choose. Under the hood is a Mercedes-AMG-sourced twin-turbo V8 that makes 542 horsepower and sexy sounds. It pairs with standard all-wheel drive. Unfortunately, the Aston isn't as quick as some other six-figure utes. It also suffers from a spongy brake pedal and lacks a lot of popular driver assists. Still, the 2022 DBX delivers a true Aston Martin experience just from a higher vantage point. What's new for 2022? Buyers can now order large 23-inch wheels. Previously, 22-inchers were the biggest rollers available. Wireless charging joins the equipment list, and a set of newly optional Sports Plus seats provide additional bolstering to better secure passengers during hard cornering. Lastly, Aston offers 4 new interior trim environments: Accelerate, Create, Impulse, and Inspire. Aston Martin provides an impressive number of personalization options for the DBX, especially through its Q customization service. The company's online configurator shows several different appearance packages, and we're partial to Accelerate interior theme, with its mix of leather and faux suede and the Sports Plus seats. On the outside, we'd choose the pretty Minotaur green paint as well as the 22-inch black and bronze ribbon wheels. We'd also opt for the tow package, the power tailgate, and the sports exhaust system that lets us better enjoy the engine's music. Engine, transmission, and performance. The DBX is powered by a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 engine supplied by Mercedes-AMG. The engine makes 542 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque and pairs with a 9-speed automatic transmission, also supplied by Mercedes. While the DBX is fundamentally rear-wheel drive, a center transfer case sends torque to the front axle when slippage is detected at the rear. It also has a limited slip rear differential and can tow up to 5,940 pounds. Adaptive dampers and height-adjustable air springs come standard on the Aston, a boon for off-road adventuring. The DBX we tested rushed to 60 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds, which is respectable for a hot SUV, but the Lamborghini Urus and other rivals are notably quicker. The version we drove on England's best roads showcased the engine's lusty soundtrack and the transmission's unobtrusive operation. Thanks to a diverse set of drive modes, its chassis demonstrated a broad range of demeanors, from refined and relaxed to responsive and playful. Despite its short 157-foot stop from 70 miles per hour, the Ute suffered from an unresponsive brake pedal. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Per the EPA's methodology, the 2021 DBX will earn 14 mpg in the city and 18 mpg on the highway. We haven't had a chance to evaluate its real-world fuel economy on our 75 mph highway route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen. For more information about the DBX's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The DBX shares a lot of its switchgear with the rest of the Aston Martin family. The cabin is covered in attractively stitched leather, soft touch surfaces, and a micro-suede headliner. The Ute comes standard with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, customizable ambient lighting, 3-zone climate control, and heated front and rear seats. Desirable options include ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and a variety of even fancier cabin materials. Rear seat space is ample, with plenty of knee and headroom for adults. There's a good amount of cargo volume, too, with 22 cubic feet of space behind the rear seat and 54 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. Infotainment and connectivity. The large 10.2-inch infotainment screen based on an aging Mercedes interface doesn't respond to touch inputs. Instead, you control the unit through the steering wheel buttons as well as a rotary knob on the center console. An integrated touchpad is optional. The system includes popular features, such as Apple CarPlay integration, built-in navigation, a 14-speaker stereo, and several USB and 12-volt charging outlets. Safety and driver assistance features. The DBX is available with some driver assistance technology, but the roster is surprisingly absent of expected content such as lane keeping assist. For more information about the DBX's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features. Standard front and rear parking sensors. Standard 360-degree camera system. Standard automatic high beams. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Aston's current warranty includes unremarkable limited and powertrain coverage. Buyers can pay more for extended plans that include some scheduled maintenance visits. Limited warranty covers 3 years or unlimited miles. Powertrain warranty covers 3 years or unlimited miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.